Thanks for hitting play on Average Dave's Cards. This video, we're going to work on some of the baseball I've been accumulating. Me and my wife, we're going to split some of these packs here. Some of the stuff we're going to be opening is some 2019 update. Got 4 packs total of that. We got some fat packs of 2019 Series 2. This is the good stuff right here. Just got a couple normal packs of 2020 Bowman. Going looking for Dominguez. And 2 cellos of my favorite, not everybody's favorite, but mine, of Gypsy Queen 2020. But first, recently a buddy of mine found out that I started collecting cards again. I've known this guy. I've known Aaron for 25 years now. And he found out that I like Ujima Emeralds. That's my PC and some other stuff. So he brought me some stuff to check out. So let's open that up first here. I haven't looked at this obviously since it's sealed, but I have looked at the fronts and the backs, and there's some pretty cool stuff in here for an Emeralds fan. If I can get it out here. The Emeralds currently is the affiliate of the Chicago Cubs, so it's also kind of interesting seeing where players end up from the Cubs system. So we got this Eloy, we got Dylan Cease, we got Adbert, another Adbert, oh, another Dylan Cease, a little bit different this one. Oh man, David Freese. So he's, I believe he won World Series MVP for the Cardinals. So he also played for the Emeralds. Hap Bowman Chrome, that is pretty sweet. And then we got some stuff here. Oh, wow. Bowman's Best Autograph. Thank you, Aaron. That's pretty amazing as well. Looks like we got a numbered card. 84 out of 150. Some Bowman Chrome. Rafael DePaula. Another Rafael DePaula autograph. Eloy Jimenez, Bowman. Bowman Chrome even. And a Heritage rookie. That's pretty dang awesome, and that's only halfway through. All right, so this one, we've got an Ian Happ, one of the Mother's Days. I believe maybe this is numbered. It is not, but still very, very cool. Eloy rookie debut. That is awesome. Must have been a cold day. He's wearing a hoodie. Eloy Bowman. Mike Moustakas. Trey Turner. Oh, wow. That's his rookie. That's pretty dang cool as well. And this is a event-worn mem card of Corey Kluber. Looks like 2017 All-Star Game. So wow, Aaron, you really didn't have to do this. I appreciate it. That's some pretty awesome stuff here for a guy that collects the M's. So thank you. And let's see here. Let's start off with... I'm going to start off with Gypsy Queen because it's my favorite. And it's probably people's least favorite out of all this. Gypsy Queen's weird. It seems like either you love it or you hate it. So, and it's also weird because I've seen other years Gypsy Queen open, and I'm just like, I don't like that. But for some reason, this year's design, rookie class, I just like it. So, let's see what we got here. Well, I don't like it at the moment either. That first pack was terrible. Unless there's a bazooka back that I missed.
You know me, I want that bubblegum back.
Let's hear Molina, Bellinger, Ryu. Oh, So this is one of those short printed Legends cards or Hall of Famer cards. It's Legends cards because I think Deion Sanders has one. He's not a Hall of Famer. So we got Carl Yumskrumsky here. You can tell it's one of the short prints because it's 306, and those are numbered. It's either 301 to 320 or 301 to 325. So looks like 320 actually. I'll tell you on the back there. So cool. Nice little card there. Bobby Bradley rookie. There's some people high on him. Brock Holt. Schwarber. Aaron Judge. Nope. And now we got to our retail greens. We have pulled a Luis Robert out of this, which is pretty cool. Wouldn't mind pulling another one, but nope, those ones are kind of duds. All right, let's get into this Bowman. Looking for Jason Dominguez, Bobby Witt, and Robert Pawson. I call those guys the big three. So any chrome of those guys would be great. Got a Vladdy Jr. on the front. Flaherty. We got a numbered Jordan Yamamoto. So that's pretty cool. 16 out of 99. Told the story before. I heard he's signed a ton of stuff, and he gets paid like $6 or $7 for his signature, which is pretty cool. But this is not signed, but still pretty cool card. Brendan Davis. All right, so our chrome is Langoliers and Bryson Scott, so no first Bowmans there. Still a number card out of that pack. That's pretty cool. We got 4 packs total of this update. Update has Senzel from the Reds and Keston Hiura from the Brewers. So those are the guys we're looking for there. A's rookie here of Bolt Sky, or Sky Bolt. It works both ways. I don't know. Cole Irvin rookie. Will Smith. Looks like we have gold coming up. Oh, the Will Smith's a rookie. All right. Didn't even notice that. Getting jiggy with it there. Let's see here. Don't know much about this guy, but it is a gold and it's a rookie, so that's always good. So this should be numbered out of 2019, right? Yep. 926 out of 2019. So hopefully that dude pans out. Just for my own purely selfish reasons now. Alright. And after this, then we have our 2019 Series 2. So Kinzer rookie. Sheffield rookie, Josh Fuentes rookie. Oh, Michael Chavis, that's a pretty good one. One I forgot to mention, so that's a good one to get for a rookie. What's this actually? Rookie combos. Ryu, Blue Jays team, Mr. October insert. Jake Odorizzi.
That one's numbered.
Is it numbered?
Isn't it? Oh, no. Okay,
No.
sorry. That looked like numbering. My bad.
Moose
I
Tacos.
got excited. Moose tacos.
Virgin rookie. Jock. Shed Long rookie. And Marcus Stroman. Alright, so the good stuff. This is drying up. I believe this has the Vlad Guerrero Jr. Short print, among other things. Beeks rookie. Another rookie. Lugo rookie. We got a gold in here. Our gold is Jace Fry. Don't know much about that guy, but it should be numbered out at 220 or 2019. My bad. I don't know why I was thinking this was 2020 product. Mookie Betts insert. Johnny Bench. Castro. Alex Wood. Florence. Greinke. Travis Shaw. Cobb. Gary Sanchez. Luis Ortiz. See here, Rizzo. And that guy. So, halfway through, my wife is going to take over and open up her stuff here. And let's hope for something a little bit better.
I don't think it'd be too difficult to beat it, right? I guess I'll go in about the same order. I'm not the greatest with baseball. There's a lot of players, and trying to keep them all straight is tough for me for some reason.
It doesn't help that there's nothing on TV or anything like that either. You hear more about the owners and Scott Boras than you do players these days because of all the problems with them trying to get on the field and such. So.
All right. Mercado, La Stella, Crawford. Oh, here's one of those fortune teller cards.
Is that Castanera?
Sure. I believe so, yes. Sorry. Stanton and Contreras. And no bubblegum. I have been obsessed with trying to find the bubblegum. I think Dave has found one.
We found one. And we opened up quite a bit. And we still have quite a bit to open. I think we got a blaster and some hangers floating around still. Okay. Maybe even a cello.
Sorry, the focus isn't working there very well. Greinke. It really likes this guy back here and keeps trying to focus on his face instead there. Maybe it's one of the other ones. I don't know. Greinke, Allen, I'm not going to say it right. Starling and Acuna Jr. No problem. Smoke. Jolita, Keller, The World. That's one of those fun cards.
Tarot of the Diamond.
Marte, Bader, and Bieber. Are you double checking my backs because I didn't check those? If you don't mind, just in case. Oh, I had that other card, so why not? So here's a Rays. These are the greens here. Oh, here's a hero. That's the same one that we got the fortune teller from.
Yeah, I believe so.
Alcantara, Realmuto, and Alonso.
Cool.
Just in case. Nope. So no bubblegum for me. One of these days, right? All right, here's some Bowman, Julito, Urena, Mejia, maybe. Here's one of the
Gleyber, Torres.
I don't know what they call this.
Those are
card.
the 90 Bohm kind of chromed out, so.
Okay.
90 Bowman.
Flacco. Here's the first Bowman of Balazovic. There's a Trammell. The chrome is Luis Robert. And a first Bowman of Joe Ryan.
Cool. You prefer not to be a pitcher, but still a first Bowman chrome. Always a good thing.
Leah Dames, Bryant, and Cattell Marty. Anyway. All right. Topps update.
Yep,
So we're doing next.
2019 update.
And this is where I get lost because I don't know who I'm looking for. I just...
Keston Hira and Nick Senzel are who we're looking for.
So the ones that I pulled in Gypsy Queen is what I want actually out of here.
Yeah.
Oops. Travis. There's
Oh.
Eloy.
It's his rookie debut. You saw that in the care package from Aaron. I got one of those. So, BGO rookie. That's pretty cool.
One of those rookie combos. It looks familiar. Jake
Bowers.
Nunez. Here is a perennial All-Stars George Brett. Nolan Arenado. Shane Green. Shelby Miller. Huang. We're just going to go with that.
Nick.
Okay, Nick. Mike Trout.
All-Star Game Trout.
Xander. And an upside down one here of James McCann. Or McCann, excuse me.
So some pretty good rookies in that pack.
Oh, good.
A lot better than the ones I pulled.
Like to hear it. All right, Sanchez, Ramirez, Yonder Alonso, Mike Tauchman, CJ Cron. There's a Kelvin Herrera, Jeff McNeil, DJ LeMahieu. I think I've pulled him before. Jose Altuve, Lindor Francisco, Calvin Gutierrez, Domingo Santana, Brandon Woodruff, Yasmani Grandal, Whit Merrifield, I think I pulled him before, and a Fernando Tatis Jr.
His rookie debut, so.
I think I did better saying their names in this pack at least.
It'd be cool if we pull a Fernando Tatis Jr. out of this, or the Vlad out of this.
So this is where Vlad's rookie card would be?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's where his short print rookie card is, the one without the number. So
Kikuchi, Victor Reyes, DJ Stewart, Josh Rogers, Daniel Murphy, Delino DeShields, Dominic Leone. Yeah, him. Brault, John Edwards, Sean Newcomb. There's a stadium card. Steven Matz, that looks like
it's the rainbow foil. Looks like the corner's pretty jacked up.
What is it?
Lower right.
Oh. I swear I didn't do it.
It's not like a big deal because it's not a big time card, but it still just kind of stinks.
Ted Williams, franchise feats.
Full body of Ted Williams.
There's this.
That's numbered, I believe, if you check the back. No, I guess no. I thought there's something special about it because it has the 150 foil on it. But I guess maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. If you know, please comment in the comments.
Mookie Betts, Heath Phil Meyer. Flip you guys around again. J.D. Davis.
Oh, that's tricky too because that Pete Alonso's rookies in here and they're in the same pose as J.D. Davis. So
Brandon Morrow, Brox.
maybe we can pull one so we can compare them.
J.T. Riddle, Nick Martini.
Or maybe not.
Max Muncy, Austin Meadows, Future Stars, Josh Reddick, Williams Astudillo.
Yeah, that's his rookie. So that's okay.
O, Jacoby Jones, Brock Holt, Juarez Familia, and Brian Johnson.
Well, thank you for watching a lot of different types of baseball packs being opened. If you like what you saw, please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.